Hello everybody, today in this video I decided to just go through my trash and do a classic old Empties video. For the most part, a lot of these came from a Petit Vour box and they're like sample sizes. But I got a couple of full-size products I got through, and everything's skincare, no makeup. Skincare, body care, basically that's it. But yeah. I'm just going to share with you my trash. I have two facial sprays I want to share with you, and one is the Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with Aloe, Chamomile, and Lavender. This is my favorite one. It does something for me, guys. I use it, and it just feels so refreshing on my skin, especially on a hot day. Love that one. The other facial spray I have is Aloe Rose Water Balancing Mist from Little Bar Apothecary. Got this from a Petit Vour box. I'm so happy that Ulta carries this brand, because then I can go back and buy the full size of this, because I love this one too. Any facial mist really, but just, some just do something for you. Some sample sizes I got from Sephora, from Drunk Elephant. I got the C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream, which, by the way, I loved. It's very hard to find an eye cream that actually works for you, and this one worked. I don't know if I'll buy the full size though, because it's expensive. And then I got two, at separate occasions, of the Be Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. The first time I used this, I immediately fell in love, because it instantly boosted my skin's hydration, just made me feel more plump and just hydrated. Then after using it after a while, my love for it faded. It's not enough moisture for me. This is good for under makeup and stuff, I believe, just to prep your skin. But it's not hydrating enough for me, unfortunately. If I could get another sample, I'll give it another whirl. Third time's the charm, right? Maybe it'll work better. Another sample I got from a Petit Vour box is an eye cream that I also love, which I was super surprised because, like I said, it's hard to find a good eye cream that actually, shows improvement, fine lines, improvement, dark circles, just overall beauty of your under eyes. Is to go with that in problem, tired eyes. Oh, that's the problem you're focusing on, tired eyes. Let's go bad in MD, bright eyes. Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. And I love this stuff. I was so sad when this stopped squirting out any more stuff. This is also a pretty penny. And I'm debating whether to get this one or the Drunk Elephant one, because they're both marvelous. Some body care stuff that I got in my Petit Vour box is this Olerum bath oil. This bath oil was so majestic and smelled so proper, and it smells divine. It was divine and lavish in all the words. Oh, you can still smell the oil in here. Oh, it's so good. I should buy the whole book. But everything just, is money. When you have bills to pay, it's not so easy to buy what you want. Another great little thing I got was this rejuvenating body polish from True Moringa. I wanted to try this because I was browsing the Petit Vour website, and guess what? A couple months later, I got it in the box. It's like they know. Petit Vour just gets you. It's like they know what you want, and then you get it in a box. And then you're happy because you get to try it, and then you know for sure that you should buy it. Body polishes, body scrubs, I love them. Especially because I tend to get dryness on my elbow area and arms. And, those bumps, I don't know what they're called, but I get those a lot. And it's not the best feeling when you're putting lotion on or something, you just feel all these little bumps on your arms. Body scrubs are great for that. The last 4 items are all facial cleansers. And just so we don't end on a bad note, because I mainly liked everything that I tried, I realized. It makes it seem like I'm just, a lover, not a hater. in any situation. But this Bliss Makeup Melt Dry Wet Gentle Jelly Cleanser with Rose Flower, it sucked, if I want to be blunt about it. I bought this specifically because it says makeup melt, and I wanted it to melt my makeup. Didn't do that. You cleanse your face, you look up from the sink thinking you're done. No, recognize. Smear lipstick, you look like a clown. Not a pretty sight. So if you have any suggestions for a good makeup remover that's not makeup wipes, because I've decided to stop using those, which I've had plenty of those thrown in the trash, I just didn't save them. But yeah, I need a good makeup remover. And as a regular cleanser, I still wouldn't suggest this one because it just didn't do anything special, if I'm being honest. It didn't make me feel rejuvenated, hydrated, nothing good for my skin. Can't even take off sunblock. I still had like a film of stuff on my face after I tried removing sunblock off with this. Whereas my skin just doesn't feel the cleanest after using it. Sad to say, I was really disappointed in this product because it's not expensive, so I was hoping it would really work. The last 3 cleansers I liked. And a full-size product that I definitely have is this one from Pixie. It has been used to death. Has been used to death. Can't even see the writing on it anymore. But this has lasted me so long, so this is a great investment. And I definitely want to try the rose water one, and then not the rose water, but the rose cleanser. And then they just came out with the retinol one. I really want to try that one too. I want to try everything from Pixie's Skin Treats line because I love it. I love Pixie. I haven't really tried their makeup though, but I love their skincare. Oh, and this leaves your skin really soft after you use it. That's why I love it. And I think it's glycolic, 5% glycolic acid, which it's gentle enough, I think, for you to use every day. I'm not a dermatologist or anyone that knows these actual things, but I think it's gentle enough for you to use every day because I use it every day and I was fine. No reactions. My skin was just smooth, supple, hydrated, everything, all the good things. All the good things. Second to last is another Petit Vour box. Sample thing. I kind of lost my words. But it's the Audacité, I think you say, Pure Elements Black Mint Cleanser with charcoal and rosol purifying and cooling gel. This stuff, guys. Feels so good after a hot day. You come inside, cleanse your face of all the grime and dirt, sweat. And it's just so cooling with that mint. Charcoal and mint is great. It's a great combo. And I definitely felt cleansed after this and just refreshed. So good. Definitely want to try the full size of this too. I just love skincare. If I could, I'd buy everything. And the last product that is also a bit grimy from Muse is the We Love Eyes Tea Tree Eyelid and Eyelash Foaming Cleanser. Now this, guys, this little baby right here takes off your eye makeup, mascara, your lip, like hard to remove liquid lipstick. This right here. This baby is perfect for makeup removal. I know it's like promoted for your eyes, works perfectly for that, but it also works perfectly for the rest of your face. This is a must-have. I need to repurchase this, like right now, like yesterday. When I ran out of this, I was so sad I need to buy it. Why haven't I bought it yet? It works so good. The tea tree oil is so good for you also. Pretty sure that will help with like any bacteria on your face, prevent pimples, any infections in your eye. Just perfect. It's pure perfection. And then after I cleanse it, to take my makeup off, I follow up with a more hydrating cleanser. Just, the hydration back in my skin. But this is a great makeup remover. So good first cleanse to take your makeup off. And then second cleanse, be like more gentle, hydrating cleanser. But this is perfect. Well guys, thanks for hanging out with me while I go through my trash. It was a wonderful time sharing all my dirty bits with you. Yeah, that's the video. I'm gonna try to save more makeup for another Empties video. Because, you know, it's like mini reviews. I always say, like in my Petit Vour box reviews, that I'll get back to you guys. I think this is a good way for me to get back to you guys if I like keep products after I finish using them. And then I could give you like mini reviews of what I thought of them, how they work. Yeah, that's that video. Like, subscribe, hang out with me in the future. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye. You know, both cheeks. Okay, bye.